Welcome to our market outlook. First of all, let's have a quick review. Last day, Indian indices closed higher, buoyed by the sustained buying by the foreign funds in some blue chip stocks and on indication that a downtrend in inflation would allow the central bank to lower its interest rates in early 2030. The next review meeting of RBI is scheduled on 29th of January 2030. Also, the positive cues from most overseas market and rebounding banking stocks in the Indian market amid hopes that bill to amend the banking regulation will get Parliament's approval help the sentiment. The key benchmark indices declined as much as 0.5% in a knee jerk after the Reserve Bank of India left the interest rates unchanged. The RBI left the repo rate and the cash reserve ratio unchanged at 8% and 4.25% respectively. But the RBI also reiterated that it could start lowering rates in January-March quarter. So that took as a positive sign for the market, and we witnessed a major pullback from the lower levels. The banking shares, which dropped sharply soon after the RBI announced its monetary policy decision, recovered after the prospects have brightened for the Parliament to clear the banking bill. Bank Nifty closed 0.3% higher after reversing a 1.9% intraday fall. The banking amendment bill got approval of the Lok Sabha after the government dropped the controversial provisions relating to allowing banks to trade in future and keeping the sector outside the purview of the Competition Commission. The bill, along with the legislation on the pension and insurance, was one of the 5 key reforms measures on the government's agenda during the current session of the Parliament. So, the major important events and important reforms got approved last day. The new banking bill aims to strengthen the regulatory powers of the Reserve Bank of India and makes the voting rights of the shareholders in the private sector banks proportionate to their holding. The proposed changes in the law are expected to clear the way for investment from the foreign banks and local industrial houses to the Indian banking sector. And the Minister of Finance also expressed the commitment of the government to infuse more than 15,000 crore into the public sector banks. So that gave some positive confidence in the banking countries, especially the POC countries. The last day, SBA traded well and closed above 2,300 mark. Coming to today's outlook, tracking the positive cues from the overseas market, we can expect a gap up opening in the market. Last day US indices and also the Asian shares traded well. So we can expect a continuation of rally in the domestic front. The option data also suggest some good support for the Nifty at 5,800 mark and the resistance is seen at 6,000 mark. Earlier, the high accumulation is open interest was seen at the 6,000 mark, but the traders shift call option to the out of the money 6,100 call option. As we have mentioned in this column, we have stated that market is in a bullish zone and we can expect a rally up to 6,052 range in the coming session. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.